let him hurt your house on fire, cause you are a liar.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I braided my lace front wig. I'm also going to show you me doing these edges and just toning the lace so it can match my skin tone. Well, actually tinting the lace so it can match my skin tone. This is how the hair turned out, and today's video is in collaboration with Wiggins hair. This is their box, and they did put a couple items in the box today. So it came with the regular drawstring bag, 2 brown wig caps. These are 2 dark brown wig caps, some lashes. They put a bonnet and also a head tie. So those are all the things that came in this packaging. I really don't have much to say. This is their 28-inch long wig. I am 5'2" and a half, 5'3", so it's right here on me. I did leave it nice and poofy. I just put some mousse at the top just to make sure that it was tamed. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did my cornrows and my edges. This is their 5x5 lace closure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So I just want to show you guys the wig really quick. Just like I washed it and conditioned it, it looks like this. It's like a loose texture compared to the one that I showed you guys last week. And I did pluck the hairline. This is a HD lace frontal, and it looks like so. The inside is this. It's so pretty. I'm gonna install this wig today really quick and glue this just like I normally do, but I want to try some curly edges, so I'm gonna show you guys that. But I really want to wear this hair today, so
I'm a runner, I'm a track star. I ain't gonna let you tear me apart. Don't try to make me stay, you won't get far. Tell me, would you stay if I broke your heart? Gotta stop protecting all my energy. Do my level wait for you, now we enemies. I had to run away from you with the memories. You for everybody, and that's all you'll ever be. I didn't do nothing, I ain't gotta prove nothing, no nothing to you. Yeah, you leave a trail of heartbreak, my heart aches for messing with you. Yeah, I'm so over it and all the shit you put me through. Time to buckle up my shoes. Time to buckle up my shoes and hit the dash with it. Fast with it, dip out on you on the last minute. No, I won't be the one that gon' get trapped in it. I'm being dead ass, this was my last visit. Yeah, that was my last visit. Got a flight to Cali, bought the last ticket. Now he texting me with all caps in it. I had to dip cause he was dragging it. Yeah, he was dragging it. Getting too attached in it. And I don't care. Let him hurt your house on fire, cause you are a liar. And I'm a runner, I'm a track star. I ain't gonna let you tear me apart. Don't try to make me stay, you won't get far. Tell me, would you stay if I broke your heart? Gotta stop protecting all my energy. Do my level wait for you, now we enemies. I had to run away from you with the memories. You for everybody, and that's all you'll ever be. I didn't do nothing, I ain't gotta prove nothing, no nothing to you. Yeah, you leave a trail of heartbreak, my heart aches for messing with you. Yeah, I'm so over it and all the shit you put me through. Time to buckle up my shoes.
You're a star, God, yeah. You and you is one of my friends. Two girls so bad, we have been never. I don't want for my man, yeah. For my man, yeah. We say two, but we get party, yeah. summer on the floor. You're a star in my head. Is it cool? Soon I need to raise war with my friends. Oh, true, you're so bad. We don't need to pretend, but I don't want you or my friends. You're my best. You're my best. Because true, when we can party, man. Don't see no my best friend. Follow me around, do it. I got money in the do it. I got money in my pocket, I'm do it. Ain't go the way when I'm busy. Ain't go the way when you're with me. Even when you're trouble, so no risk, yes, I'm on the phone. Spend summer on the phone. Please don't wait till tomorrow. We spent the last 3 songs.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is all the hair to the front, so you can see how full and thick it is. I will have all the specs, the density, everything, the length, all of that in my description box so you guys can check it out. this is how the hair is looking. It gave me minimal shedding as well, so it didn't give me too much shedding, but do bear in mind that I haven't been wearing this wig for a long time, so I can't really judge the shedding or none of that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit Wiggins Hair. I will have the links down below, and please be sure to check out like other videos if you are interested in this hair, just because it's like, it's really beautiful, but I don't want you guys to just go off of my review, so make sure you're checking other reviews as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Would you see if I broke your heart? Gotta stop protecting all my energy. With my love away for you, and now we enemies. I had to run away from you, the memories. You for everybody, and that's all you love with me.